Hello guys, welcome to James Umbrella Manufacturers. Today we are going to showcase our entire collection of promotional umbrellas and corporate umbrellas. So what all fabrics we are having, what all umbrellas are there, जितनी भी variety है ये पूरे हम वीडियो में बताने वाले हैं. In corporate umbrellas, the entire range, if you see, we are having 2-fold umbrellas, we are having 3-fold umbrellas. Then after that we are having wooden piano umbrellas, we are having Cargill umbrellas which come along with the covers. We are having golf umbrellas 30 by 8, that is the huge largest size, and this is 27 by 8 fiber frame. So all the umbrellas are different varieties, different fabric, different frames, and in this customization is possible, like all the customization is possible. So we'll start with the 2-fold umbrella. So if you see, so this is a solid color white 2-fold umbrella in 190 thread polyester fabric. As you can see, this is printed in single color in a club of Irandani Estate. Similarly, we can do your branding as well. All the brandings are possible, like even single color, 2-color, multicolor. Even digital branding is possible. If you want to print a picture or something, even that is possible. And after that, if you see, this umbrella we have made in 2 colors for infra market. This is in grey and orange, and the print is in 2 colors. So this looks like a proper themed umbrella, white, orange, and it matches with the entire theme. These all are 2-fold umbrellas. These are the highest selling umbrellas in like you can say for gifting and other purposes. So this you can see, this is a white and orange one. We have made this for political parties as you can see there are different color combinations, different varieties. You can see if you want to get all these 8 flaps printed, we can do that as well. If you want 4 flaps, if you want 2 flaps, if you want 1 flap, even like all the customization is possible in this. So this we have completed our 2-fold range, and next we'll go on to our 3-fold range. This is a 3-fold umbrella. The fabric used is 190 thread polyester along with silver coating. The frame is completely metal MS, and you can see in this decent single color printing is done. So according to your brand's logo, your company's theme, your company's color combination, we can change the look of the umbrella. After that, going on to the next one, this is a wooden frame umbrella. This is completely wooden shaft. The metal, the ribs are of MS with black powder coating, and this is a pure yellow umbrella. And even in this, all the colors are possible, like white, yellow, green, orange, blue. All these colors are easily available. Moving on to the next one. Next series is a Cargill umbrella. This is a trendy umbrella. It comes along with the cover, good for gifting. As you can see, we made this for Hoffman Group. The logo is there on one side. The name, small branding is there on another. Similarly, 4 flaps are printed, you can see. In one umbrella there are total 8 flaps, and out of which 4 flaps are printed. So 4 looks decent, 2 looks even more like simple and decent according to the choice and the matter. This is Cargill. This is a completely metal frame, and this spokes are also metal. This is also one of our premium umbrellas. This is a fiber shaft umbrella in 27 inches radius. You can see the entire frame is of fiber, the ribs are also fiber, so it becomes rust proof. Also you can see this is a pure nylon fabric. This is one of the premium umbrellas in our category, and you can see the branding. It's done in very decent way, decent color combinations, and only 2 flaps are printed in this. So this is one of our exclusive premium umbrellas. As you can see, the handle and everything, the stitching and everything, it's like perfectly finely crafted. Next, moving on to our category is a golf umbrella. These are used umbrellas. These are used for escorting in hotels, resorts. Even these umbrellas are amazing. The size is 30 inches. It's a huge umbrella. 2 people can easily accommodate in it. The entire shaft, ribs, everything is in fiber. The fabric is polyester 190D, and you can see the branding is done in a very subtle way. And this gold, even we have made, this is a polyester, so it's like this is a basic fabric which is widely used, and it comes in a decent price. But if there are some clients who want to go for premium umbrellas, then this nylon, this is one of the amazing fabrics, you can see. And even in this, branding is done in a very subtle and decent way. You can see the size of the umbrella, it's huge, and even the fabric, the frame, everything is very sturdy. You can see. These umbrellas are like premium umbrellas and are used for corporates, for political parties, and so on. So yeah, so we have completed entire range, like the 2-fold we have completed, 3-fold we have completed, we have completed the wooden one, we have completed the Kargil umbrellas, we have completed 27 inches fiber shaft umbrella, we have completed the 30 inches golf umbrella. All these umbrellas have been completed, and in all these umbrellas we can do our branding. Branding can be done in single color, double color, multicolor, everything is possible. And you can see our latest, these are all digitally print umbrellas. So these all umbrellas, the entire high resolution picture has been printed. You can see the elephants. Anything and everything can be printed here. This comes along with the price obviously, but the finishing, the output of all these umbrellas is just amazing. You can see we have made this entire, created this entire wildlife series. These are all the animals, wildlife animals printed on it. And such prints look amazing. If you're having like MOQ 100 pieces or something like that, we can definitely go ahead with it. Moving on to our next category, we have basically we are umbrella manufacturers and importers. So we are having all the types of umbrellas. So this is a side pole luxury umbrella. You can see this is used in resorts and everywhere. Even this is a round one, this is a square one, this is a double decker one. And coming on to corporate umbrellas, these are corporate umbrellas, and this in this also you can do a branding. Like everything is possible. In these umbrella also we are having sizes like 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, diameter 9 feet, 10 feet, everything is possible in this. Like frame customization, fabric customization, सब कुछ possible है इसमें. So this is a 8 feet umbrella, thick pipe, 29 inches, 29 mm pipe, and the fabric uses polyester. It's a 2-color umbrella, like the umbrella color is 2, red and blue, and the printing is 3 color. So even this is of some, I think, hospital, Sri Ganesha Hospital. We are recently making umbrellas for them. So yeah, even this is possible. So in umbrella, anything and everything is possible from our end. If you have any questions, any doubts, any queries related to this video, related to any umbrella, or if you want to place the order, we'll just provide the number in the description box, and also we'll provide you the store address if you, in case you want to visit the store and check out all our products at our store. So you can definitely visit it. Our store is in Thane, Jameson Umbrella Manufacturers. You can just simply Google it and you will find the address. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a good day and happy monsoon.